Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change item quantity in cart on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then go to the cart tab in your bottom side of your screen. And here on the right side of the product, you have the number of the exact same items you want to order. But when the number is more than one, for example like this 2, instead of trash icon, here might be a minus sign. So you just need to use the plus sign or minus sign to set the quantity you want to purchase. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.